Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to get free Xbox Live in order to play Fortnite on Xbox One. Now let's hop into the video.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hey guys, so if you guys want to support the channel a little more, you guys just want to make your way into the item shop, click the supporter creator button, type in my supporter creator code SCOOT4321, click accept, and you guys can help me out a little. And now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I made a video about this a little while ago, got a lot of views, and I've been getting a lot of questions regarding it. Some people complaining that it wasn't an actual direct solution. That solution was mainly to license transfer with someone on Xbox Live. If they had Xbox Live and you were able to get Xbox Live for free. So a lot of people complained about that, saying they didn't have a friend to have Xbox Live. So I'm bringing you this video. This is like a part 2 sort of thing, where I'm just explaining a different method for you guys to use that does not require you to license transfer with your friend. So this method requires you downloading an app on your phone. I'm not a huge advocate of this method, but it is possible and it does work if you put in the time and effort. So now I'm going to switch over to my desktop and show you what this app is all about and how you can get free Xbox Live out of it. Okay guys, so I'm here on appnana.com. This is the name of the app. As I said, I'm not a huge advocate for this, but this app got really good ratings. It got 4.5 out of 5 stars on the Play Store. It comes for iOS and Android, and the basic premise around this app is downloading apps and receiving basically coins. They call them nanas, and the more nanas you build up over time, you can use to redeem gift cards. Now, this isn't going to be the kind of thing where I just sit here and I promote my code. I haven't even downloaded this app. I'm not making this like an affiliate thing where you go download my app and I get free nanas out of this. I'm not about that. I'm just sitting here explaining to you this is a method. So basic premise is you download apps on this app, like apps you would normally use, like you see Angry Birds, Minecraft right here, Flappy Bird. They don't even have Flappy Bird anymore, but so you download the apps, you get nanas for downloading them, build them up over time, and then you can redeem gift cards. And one of these gift cards is Xbox gift cards. You use those Xbox gift cards to go buy yourself some Xbox Live, which can lead to you being able to play Fortnite. I believe, what do they offer? I think $10, $20, maybe 3-month memberships for Xbox Live here. So as I said, guys, I'm not a huge advocate of this, and if you really want to get technical, this isn't exactly free. It's free in the sense it doesn't cost any money to download the app, but it's not free in terms of opportunity cost and the fact that you're having to spend your time and energy to actually build up nanas over time, to actually afford to get these gift cards. And you can get Amazon as well. So as I said, not a huge advocate, but this is a possibility if you want to build up your nanas and download those, or I'm sorry, redeem them for the gift cards, which then allow you to go play Fortnite on Xbox One, since Xbox One's annoying and hides Fortnite behind a paywall. I talked about that in my previous video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this method. I hope you find this informative, and I hope you guys can go play Xbox Fortnite for free without having to buy Xbox Live with your own money. And you can use this as an alternative. If you guys have any other suggestions, leave them down in the comments section down below. I know this is a huge issue, and I get comments about this every day. People asking to share Xbox Live because they want to play Fortnite so bad. So here's a alternative method. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to go subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Go use my Fortnite supporter creator code to earn that free shout out if you guys want. So yeah, thanks for watching. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.